What is good, YouTube? So today I'm going to be talking about AMC and GameStop stock and why I believe we are on the verge of another squeeze. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So AMC did get a nice jump today, almost up 10% to $4.95. Last Friday we closed at $4.55. I did sell my $5 calls expiring on December 6th for over 100% profit, quick 2,000, and I did buy some longer $5 dated calls for December 20th. I'm holding 100 of those. And for GameStop, I also did move some of my calls to December 6th, but I still do believe that we are going to get a massive move this week, and we're going to talk about some interesting things right now. But AMC jumped up on the news that it made the most money this weekend than any other weekend ever in the past 104 years, and based off that news, over 20 million shares have been traded today, and we're not even halfway through the day yet. 20 million in volume for AMC, not even halfway through the day. Absolutely insane. I do believe we are going to break past $5 sometime this week, and we've been going over how AMC hasn't broke out of this triangle like GameStop has. Now we do have a clear candle outside of this triangle, just like what we saw with GameStop down here when it broke to $22. AMC obviously hasn't rallied as much as GameStop, which is why I believe when GameStop does squeeze past $50, AMC can go parabolic. I wouldn't doubt if this thing goes higher than its highs back here of $13. I believe this thing can really squeeze like crazy. I mean, look at the volume. It's been green all freaking day. GameStop has been green all freaking day. It is looking amazing, guys, and none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but yeah, in my opinion, I'm gonna hold those 100 contracts until AMC does get that good squeeze. I do have till December 20th for those calls. And for GameStop, I do have some shorter dated calls, a lot of them expiring this week, because I do believe this week is going to be a huge week. And talking about a huge week, Treehouse Brewing Co., what we've been talking about the past couple of videos, they literally tweeted right in the morning, 30 minutes after the market opened. They said, "It's a big week, fam. Let's get it started with the overwhelming juicy and pineapple forward green. GGGREENNN. Look how that green is spelled. Stay tuned. We're just getting started." I mean, what are they talking about? What the hell are they talking about? You can't make this up, guys. A lot of people are like, "Oh, it's just a marketing scheme." Hell no. First they tweeted the eye emoji on November 11th when GameStop first broke out of that $25 resistance. Then last Friday they tweeted this, the green beer with the Roaring Kitty headband on. And the next thing they tweet after that is, "It's a big week." You're damn right it is a big week. GameStop today has already hit a high of $29.52. A lot of people were saying it wouldn't even break past $29 again, that it was going to hit 25. I really don't think so. The amount of money being loaded into calls is insane. If we compare the RSI to how it was back before it squeezed to $80, it was chilling at 70. The RSI has been chilling at 70 ever since November 11th, which is now almost 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks of the RSI being overbought. That is insane. The pressure is building, not only for GameStop, but for AMC as well. As you guys see, the RSI is climbing almost to 70. The last time that it climbed like that was on May 13th. Literally on May 13th was the last time that the RSI has climbed this much. So I wouldn't doubt it if we do get some explosive moves this very week from both GameStop and AMC. It's just a repeat. It's literally a repeat of what happened in May and what happened in January. The RSI is climbing right now, insane for AMC. The RSI has been chilling for over 2 weeks now at 70 for GameStop. I am balls deep right now, over 8 grand in call options loaded in right now. I mean, every freaking 10 minutes, guys, I'm up 500, I'm down 300, I'm up 1,000, I'm down 500. It's freaking, the fluctuation is insane. And the fluctuation is going to be more insane when we do get that explosive move from AMC and GameStop. And I believe it's going to come very, very soon, guys. This guy said, "What could Roaring Kitty's favorite beer company be insinuating by saying it's a big week? And does it have anything to do with GME? We should know in a matter of days/weeks if this is just genius marketing or if Roaring Kitty is going to return to kick off his requel." I think it's really obvious that this company is talking about GameStop. I really do. Roaring Kitty probably loves the beer so much that he told him, "Hey, look, it's going to squeeze the month of November. Just remember, GameStop in November. That's all you got to know." And I bet you, I wouldn't even doubt if this company is invested in GameStop itself. I really wouldn't doubt it. Adam Aaron did say this though. He said, in the US, AMC just recorded our highest revenues for a pre-Thanksgiving weekend in AMC's entire 104-year history. Fully 4.6 million people graced our theaters globally over the 4 days, Thursday to Sunday. What a wonderful way to start the holiday movie-going season. This isn't the end, guys. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. I am telling you guys right now, this is just the beginning for AMC. This is just the beginning for GameStop. We're just getting started. I mean, the short thesis is freaking over. If you're short on AMC, I really do feel bad for you, because what's coming over the next couple of days and the next couple of weeks is something that cannot be stopped by any hedge fund, by any person on the freaking planet. It doesn't matter who the frick it is. The amount of retail investors that are jacked to the tits right now is unreal. It is unreal. It's never been like this. It wasn't like this in 2021. It wasn't even like this in May of 2024, this year. It is going to be insane this week. It is going to be a big week, guys. This guy said AMC Theaters' total revenue domestically on the pre-Thanksgiving weekend is the highest in AMC's 104-year history. And coming in December, Wicked sing along. So this is just what Moana 2. This is just what Wicked. There's still billion-dollar movies coming out. Not only this year, but the year after that, and the year after that, and the year after that. And it's going to go on forever. It is literally going to go on forever, guys. So that is why I always thought AMC is just a buy. I mean, it being at all-time lows just really presents an opportunity of a lifetime. Right now, GameStop, as I speak, nearing $29 once again. I mean, it looks like GameStop is just making a new freaking floor, and this is nothing. This is nothing like July, and this is nothing like May. This is nothing like July, and this is nothing like May. Back in May, we launched off of like $17. From $17 to $80. Now it looks like we're going to be launching from $29. So you can only imagine how high we're going to go and how high we will be trading during market hours. Obviously, GameStop wasn't trading at $80 during market hours. It happened in pre-market. But since we're launching off $29, I wouldn't doubt if GameStop is trading around $60 during market hours, which is going to be insane. AMC right now chilling up 6% on the day. The volume is insane on AMC just off that news that it broke records. And there's going to be more records that it breaks every other month. I am telling you guys right now. And we did call out the MACD, how it got tight. It got tight right here. If we bring up that daily MACD, just like it got tight right before it squeezed. It was green for a while, for like almost a month. It got tight, almost turned red, then it squeezed. What happened here? It was green for almost a month, got really tight, and now it's opening up once again. It is opening up once again. It's insane, guys. It just looks exactly the same. And I do believe that this week will be a fifth week of being green. Right now, the weekly candle is barely green for GameStop, but I do believe this weekly candle will be green, and Roaring Kitty's thesis is going to come to reality. Remember, GameStop in November, it was what Roaring Kitty said 4 years ago. Remember GameStop in November. Was he talking about November of 2024? Possibly. I wouldn't doubt it. This weekly candle goes freaking parabolic. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are invested into AMC and GameStop stock, whether it's just shares or call options. Call options is obviously way more risky than shares. When you're loaded into call options and the price is moving like this, you're moving up by thousands, down by thousands per minute. I mean, it's crazy. With shares, it definitely is more stable and more safe. But like I've been saying over the past week, over the past month, if you want to take a risk, now is the time. Not financial advice whatsoever. You guys do whatever you want with your money. Do your own research before investing into any stock. Right now, I am balls deep in GameStop and AMC stock. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with these two stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buy the